When you last time, you remember last 2005, you said that this is still the old bridge you used to pass, but now it's the new bridge.
Mayong utos sa tanan, no? To Her Excellency President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, sa ating mga provincial, national, and local officials,
sa among mahal nga presidente, daghang salamat sa imong pagkari sa amon banwa. Palakpakan natin lahat ang aton binalangga nga presidente, President.
Climate change has been manifested very recently, but before this, we have been aware that is the great threat to the existence of our community. When the President was in the atmosphere, IPCC targeted a reduction of 50% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, not 5. The volume of carbon dioxide, reversible climate change will melt of 4 miles thick. And us, with the spread of yet been rebutted. As a matter of fact, the IPCC, the devastated countries like we are, to adaptation funds.